Welcome back. Once again, I still remain Jazz Sax, the saxophone instructor and tutor. All right. To take us further, I'm going to teach you pentatonic major scale and its permutations. Now, when I talk about permutations, we're talking about the groupings, patterns, and intervals. All right. Now, what then is your pentatonic major scale? Pentatonic major scale, it's a scale of five notes, which are do, re, mi, so, and la. All right, do, re, mi, so, la. And here how it's going to be played on the saxophone. We have it as okay. And of course, to take it to the next octave, I will hit on my middle C. Is that okay? So, and now to descend, I'm going to have it as do, la, so, mi, re, do. All right? In that order. All right? That is your pentatonic major scale, which runs to be do, re, mi, sol, la, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. In the same vein, you can play it on the high octave. All right? All right, same thing. All I just need to do is to press my octave button, octave key. All right, as that would take it to the next octave. All right, now I talked about permutation, which is the groupings, patterns, and interval. You have your do, re, mi, sol, la. All right. Now, if I want to group this, I can group this in threes. I can group this in twos, and at the same time, I can group it in fours. All right. Now, if I'm going in three groupings now, I'm going to have do, re, mi. All right. Then re, mi, sol. Okay. Mi, sol, la. Is that okay? Sol, la, do. Right now, in this order, I'm going to have it as that again. And now to descend, I will play do, la, so, mi, re, do. So, okay. Okay. Okay, so that is a grouping in three. And if I want to go in twos, I'm going to have it as do, mi, re, so, mi, la, so, do. That's this ascending order. And to descend, I'm going to have it as do, so, la, mi, so, re, mi, do. Is that again? So I'll have it now. Okay. Okay. All right. Do, so, la, mi, so, re, mi, do. All right. And to work this out again in fours, you're going to have do, re, mi, so, la, mi, so, la, do, mi, so, la, do. All right. So like this. Now to the set, I'm gonna have it as do, la, so, mi, do, la, so, mi, re, so, mi, re, do. particular pattern on that again. Now, what if I come back to the 3-3 groupings and I choose to have another pattern? Before I was doing do, re, mi, so. Now I can be doing mi, re, do, so, mi, re. All right, la, so, mi, do, la, so. All right, so I will not play. All right, so la, do, mi, so, la, re, mi, so, do, re, mi. Now I'm playing. Mi, re, do, so, mi, re, la, so, mi, do, la, so, la, do, mi, so, la, re, mi, so, do, re, mi. That's another pattern again. All right, so know your pentatonic major scale and learn how to work on the various groupings, patterns, and interval. If you have 1, 2, 3 before, you should be able to say 3, 2, 1, or you should be able to say again 1, 3, 2, or you should be able to say 3, 1, 2, or 3, 1, 2, or 3, 2, 1 in that order. Is that okay? So that is another pattern or a simple way or an approach to how you can actually come up with several patterns when it comes to permutations. Thank you.